machiegni weche mag tuke. Jong'wech mopogore opogore man gi uma e piny mangima osedonjo e pachoka motelo ne tuke mag Kip Keino Classics ma kiny notimre e paw tuke ma Nyayo. Letsile Tebogo kod Christine Mboma e moko kuom jong'wech ma bende osemol e thurka. Jaloch mita 100 e Afrika Ferdinand Omanyala kod Mary Morama en jaloch piny mangima e ng'wech mar mita 800 duto jowacho ni giikore mokalo ne tukego.
It was because I have the memories that I started my career here, and now being back here again, it's an honor, to kickstart the season, even though we already started back then.
It's hard, of course, but we've done it every year. It's my 4th time. It's an honor. It's super exciting. The crowd is amazing, and then, of course, having the chance to compete in the stadium is always so much fun. Being the hammer, I feel like we're excluded sometimes, but just to get in on the action and hopefully have some far throws to start this 2024 year off with a bang.
We've seen what promising people can do. I don't want to promise people anymore this year. This year is about just do the work and let the action speak. So I'm excited about Saturday, coming to Nyayo Stadium. Nyayo Stadium is a very fast track. It's an open track, so we might see very fast times, but I'm excited and I'm really looking forward to start the season.